Have you ever looked at your partner and felt something strange in your chest? Not sadness, not anger, just this quiet realization. We're not lovers anymore. We're just roommates who share a bed. If that thought ever crossed your mind, you're definitely not alone. It happens to so many couples, even the strongest ones. And here's the part people don't talk about. The spark doesn't actually disappear. It doesn't die. It gets buried under stress, routine, chores, unspoken expectations, and this silent fear that maybe something is wrong with the relationship. But the truth is that most couples can bring back the passion with small, simple changes. Today I'll give you 7 concrete ways, micro rituals, tiny acts of closeness, a new narrative in your head that will help you rebuild intimacy and desire, and stay until the end. Because the last point is the real game changer. The first step is what I call the 10-second reconnection ritual. Most couples lose the spark because they stop seeing each other. Not literally, but emotionally. A rushed hello, a distracted kiss, scrolling on opposite sides of the couch. To rebuild the feeling of us, create a daily 10-second moment of intentional connection for her. When you greet him, place your hand on his arm, chest, or back. Touch grounds men and calms their nervous system. For him, when she comes home, give her a slow, full-body hug for at least 10 seconds. A woman needs softness and safety before she can open emotionally or sexually. These tiny seconds done daily can shift the whole dynamic. The second step is having a no-pressure touch night once a week. For many couples, sex becomes stressful. It starts to feel like a test. Will it happen? Will I be rejected? Am I supposed to want more? Pressure kills desire. So choose one night a week where physical closeness is allowed. Cuddling, massage, stroking hair, falling asleep with legs intertwined. But sex is not the goal. When the pressure disappears, desire has space to return naturally. It feels safe again, playful again, human again. Step 3 is the 15-minute date reset. People think passion needs big gestures, vacations, dramatic conversations, expensive dinners. But your brain doesn't need something huge to feel alive again. It needs novelty. Once a week, do something new together just for 15 minutes. A walk around the block, a dessert in the car, a silly TikTok challenge, a short game, or even telling each other one memory you love about your relationship. These small moments remind you why you chose each other. They bring back curiosity, and curiosity is the first spark of desire. Step 4 is the polarity switch. Attraction isn't about gender roles, but about energy. In desire, someone leads, someone follows, someone teases, someone reacts. When both partners are stuck in the same energy, tired, overwhelmed, mentally in to-do list mode, chemistry disappears. So try switching it up. For him, take the lead in something small. Get ready in 10 minutes. I'm taking you out. For her, bring playful, teasing energy. Send a flirty message. Whisper something in his ear. Give him a slow look before walking away. These shifts reignite the feeling of, I'm drawn to you and are, because attraction lives in contrast. Step 5 is changing the voice in your head. Desire is often killed not by reality, but by the stories we tell ourselves. She doesn't want me. He's not attracted to me. I'm the only one trying. These thoughts create distance, resentment, and withdrawal. Replace them with new narratives. She's stressed, not rejecting me. He's overwhelmed, not uninterested. We're on the same team. When you change the story, your behavior softens. You become warmer, less defensive, more open, and that energy brings intimacy back. Step 6 is the rule of small seductions. In long-term relationships, People wait for sex to happen naturally, like it used to. But natural desire is built through micro moments. A quick kiss on the neck when passing in the kitchen. Hands brushing on purpose. A slow compliment with eye contact. A playful comment. These tiny sparks create anticipation. And anticipation is often more erotic than anything happening in the bedroom. And finally, step 7. Bring back erotic tension slowly. This is the step that changes everything. Eros doesn't appear in the moment of sex. It appears long before. In the glances, the hints, the energy between you. Start by talking about small, realistic fantasies, not extreme ones. Use your voice. Speak slower, softer, deeper. Create distance that builds longing. Flirt across the room instead of only in bed. Send one simple message during the day that makes your partner think of you. And make the bedroom feel sacred again. Soft lighting, clean sheets, a space that signals intimacy, not chaos. You're not forcing anything. You're creating tension. And tension leads to desire, which leads to intimacy, which leads to wanting each other again. Not because you should, but because you can't help it. You don't need a new partner to feel passion again. You just need new patterns. Love fades when we stop feeding it. Desire fades when we stop creating it. But both can be rebuilt, gently, intentionally, beautifully. And if you want more videos that help you understand connection, intimacy, and what truly makes relationships last, make sure to subscribe to Decode. Love. Our community is growing. And I don't want you to miss the next episode.